Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to verify Cash App account in 2024. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to open up your Cash App and then log into your Cash App account. So once that's done, then just go to your profile here on your top right, click on your profile and then scroll down, and under the limits option here, under the accounts and settings, you'll see limits option. Simply open up the limits option, and then here, if your account has not been verified, you will see the verify identity option. So all you have to do is just hit on it, select verify identity. So now all you have to do is simply follow these prompts. So you're now starting the process of verification. Hit on continue, and then all you have to do now is just provide your basic information like your name, address, and then if required, you provide a copy of your ID, any ID, and then once you're done, and that's it, Cash App will verify your account for you, and that's pretty much it is. So once you provide these details, your account will get verified, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.